Hello, friends. Running Kimono here. It is Sunday, June the 21st, and we are looking at the hottest deals at Walgreens, including some free and cheap stuff. And oh my gosh, this is the week you do not want to miss because when we have free Head and Shoulders, OMG, I'm just like beyond excited. Happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. Wishing you all the best today, and hopefully you save a lot of money. If you guys could do me a huge kindness before we dive into the deals, please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up or hype the video if you have that feature. I would be so grateful. It really helps out the channel, helps out the video so I don't get in YouTube trouble. Just like or hype the video, and thank you so much in advance, guys. At the very end of the video, we are going to look at a $40 basket. Tomorrow, we're going to look at a $45 Oral-B basket, but that booster at the end that you can do in store, the 9-pack when you spend $40, at the end, a whole bunch of free stuff. I mean, it's just like there's like smoke coming off of the deal. It's so good. And if in case you missed it, we have a free photo right off the bat. It's an 8x10 print, one per account. You just type in the code Dad Thanks in celebration of Father's Day. One per account. When you go to pick up your photo at the store, punch in your phone number. Maybe a booster will print for you. Wouldn't that be nice? The first deal we're going to talk about is absolutely tremendous. It is to grab a Head and Shoulders Bare and a Head and Shoulders Regular. They are on a buy one, get one 50% off promotion. And when you spend $15, you're getting back a $5 register reward. Now, if you're going to go off the menu with the $40 basket, realize that all of the shampoo deals are on the same promotion. You have to pick one shampoo deal. So if you're going to go off the menu and do whatever the heck, only one register reward will print for you. And shampoo is not the same as body wash as well, so let's remember that at the end. This $6 only for you if you might have it, and then this $4 only for you. That is $10 right there in manufacturer coupons. Like, are you guys as excited as I am? So two of these for $16.48. Remember, it's buy one, get one 50% off. So the Bare at $11.99, you'll pay full price, and then you'll pay $4 and some change for the other Head and Shoulders. Make sure you're scanning all the barcodes too to ensure that the digital coupons are attaching. $10 melting off, you're going to pay $6.48. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1.48 for the two, or 74 cents per. So even without a booster, 74 cents for this magic. It's fantastic. If you're doing this deal with no booster, yes, you can use Walgreens cash to earn your $5 register reward. And this is where it gets interesting. Over on Fetch Rewards on Friday, they doubled the amount for this promotion of spend 50. It was supposed to be earn back 7. It's now 14. If you look at mine, I'm like 40 some dollars short. So with this promotion, I'm really close. Look in the picture. Head and Shoulders is part of this. I mean, if you have not signed up for Fetch, sign up today. Check out my referral link. When you submit your first receipt, it could be Taco Bell from yesterday. You're given a $2. It's a really tremendous app. Download it today for extra savings, including this, which is really exciting. Another great deal that we have this week is on the Pepsi products. Buy two, get two for free. We're getting really close to the 4th of July, and Walgreens really wants you to make them their one-stop shop for like all beverages and chips and those sort of snacky things. And again, this is the promotion, buy two, get two for free. It's not only Pepsi, it's also like the Mountain Dew products. So you might want to go through the list of like what's included, what isn't. Now, to let you guys know, last week we got this coupon, which is a 3 off of 2. So make sure you have it loaded, or pardon me, a 3 off of 4. I'm making stuff up. I'm so excited this morning. But make sure you have this friend loaded. And as I see in the app, you can actually get this for pickup as well. The last time for Memorial Day, you could not get the buy two, get two for free for pickup. 4 of these for $23.98. Subtracting the coupon, you're paying $20.98 for the 4, or $5.24 per 12-pack. That is a stock-up price. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but definitely stock up if you love Pepsi. Probably one of the best paper deals of the week is on the Sixers of the Angel Soft. Love Angel Soft. It's a really great meat and potatoes toilet paper, and for $3 for a sixer, I think it's the way to go. We have $1.50 off of 3 digital and a $3 reward when you purchase 3. Here it is, guys. This is the digital coupon that you're going to load for this promotion, and it is $1.50 off of 3. So just to jog you through this math real quick, $13.50 for the 3, subtracting that $1.50 coupon, you're going to pay $12, get back a $3 register reward, making it $9 for 3 or $3 per pack of 6. And it's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This is an unscented toilet paper in a smaller package, easy to store, especially if you don't have a ton of room in your stockpile. The Puffs, that $3 coupon reappeared along with a $5 for Charmin. Load both. This week, this guy is $6.99. After that $3 coupon, it's $3.99. $1 per box. This is a stock-up price. I know it's kind of further away, but with back to school, I know that Kleenex is often on the list, or tissues are often on the list for your kids. So this is definitely the price to pay. Because $3.99 is absolutely fantastic for Puffs, a product that's almost $9. Another great deal this week, and I kind of thought it would go this way. We got $3 coupons on both the whole blends and the Fructis. This is also part of the spend 15 to earn back 5, the same promotion as Head and Shoulders, the same promotion as Pantene. Read those cards when you are in store, the tags. These are the 2 coupons that you're going to load. And the math is a little bit less than what I had predicted, so we're going to look at this again. So 2 whole blends and 2 Fructis for $18.97. Subtracting 2 $3 coupons, 6 is melting off. You're paying $12.97, getting back a $5 register reward, making it $7.97 for the 4 or $1.99 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but remember, this is a weird one. You're grabbing 2 of each to get past that $15 threshold. Typically for Garnier, it's like only buy 2 to get that register reward. So it's a different mix this week. So please pay attention to that. Read the tags to ensure you're grabbing the right stuff as well, guys. Deal involves body wash, and they're $5, the Nivea men's. I would do this deal earlier in the week because as the week marches on, this is probably not going to be in stock. We have this really nice coupon, which is a 4 off of 3 manufacturer coupon loaded. The promotion is with this is that when you buy 3, you get back a $5 register reward. This is body wash. This is not shampoo. It's not on the same promotion as Head and Shoulders or the Garnier. Purchasing 3 of these, it's going to be $15. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $11. Getting back a $5 register reward, making it 6 for 3 or $2 per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Entry deal of the week goes to these Arm & Hammers, 3 for $7.49 or $2.49 per unit. It's the host of the Arm & Hammer Laundry Care. If this is your favorite thing, by all means, stock up. Walgreens did a bit of Walgreens where they had things that were supposed to be part of this buy 2, get $2 register reward, but they changed it to make it like that container of the softener and then nothing but dryer sheets. So laundry care is just dryer sheets. So it changes the deal altogether. Still open up your IBOTTA app in case there might be some rebates for you guys, but doing this in the cheapest fashion. 2 jugs of that softener I showed you. If you like it, it's $7.98. Subtracting 1 digital, you'll pay $6.98. Get back a $2 register reward, making it $4.98 for the 2 or $2.49 per. It's okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. Apologies, guys, about that confusion. Sometimes the crystal ball is a bit murky, and the fact that they rug pulled it and just made it dryer sheets for the rest, it is what it is. Now, this is a super deal. It's for the $6 fancy Colgate brush and paste. And as predicted, they gave us a $3 digital off of each. So you're going to have to load these two friends, the $3 for the paste and the $3 for the brush. When you are in store, open up the app, scan the barcode to ensure that the digital coupon is attaching and it's tagged in your store, the buy two to get back a $5 register reward, and you're grabbing the right stuff and it's tagged at $6. Just don't grab anything just hoping and praying it's going to work, because you don't want trouble at the register. But here's the promotion: two of the fanciers for $6, $5 reward when you buy two, and we have a $3 digital attaching on both. So two of the fancies for $12, subtracting $6, you're going to pay $6. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $1 for two or 50 cents per unit. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This one I would absolutely do this week. The Axe Men this week is just a really great deal because we have a 5 off of 2 new coupon, and this is body wash as well. And here's our coupon. It's a 5 off of 2, and it's buy one, get one 50% off. And here's the promotion. Make sure you're grabbing the right tag stuff in the body wash aisle. Grabbing two, it's going to be $8.98. Subtracting that coupon, you're paying $3.98 for the two or $1.99 per Axe. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. The 9 back when you spend $40, this is your booster. It's of a one-time use, and we're going to throw $40 of stuff this week that's on promotion with high-value coupons to get it all for free, and I love when I can do this. First thing we're throwing into the cart is two of those Head & Shoulders with the $6 and the $4 digital coupon, so a Bare and a regular for $16.48. Two Colgate Fancies for $12, loading both of those $3 coupons. The Nivea at $5 a pop, 3 of them. And we have a 4 off of 3 digital coupon. The total for all of this magic is $43.48. Have that digital booster loaded. You have $20 in digitals melting off. 10 for Head & Shoulders, 6 for Colgate, and then 4 for Nivea. That's how I'm getting the math. With your debit card, you're going to pay $23.48. Debit, credit, or bills, however you wish to pay. Do not use Walgreens cash. What you're getting back here is $9 in Walgreens cash. It's going to show at the bottom of your receipt, and $15 in register rewards. 5 for Head & Shoulders, 5 for Colgate, and 5 for Nivea, making your transaction free. Remember, do not use any Walgreens cash to pay. You can use register rewards from other deals that you might have done in the weeks previous, by all means for a lower out-of-pocket, but make this deal happen. That's it for this video, guys. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye.